For a second, I want you to imagine you're going through your pocket change and you come across one of the coins in this video. You're gonna have a lot of questions like, what should I do with the coin? Where do I go? How do I sell it for the most amount of money? It's important to know if you find one of these coins, the first thing you need to do is keep it safe and secure. Do not get it damaged, don't drop it, because the condition of the coin is extremely important to how much money the coin is going to be worth. For example, this 1932 quarter was graded by PCGS a mint state 66. That means this coin is only a few points away from the perfect grade of 70. 1932 was the first date they minted these Washington quarters for the United States. When it comes to Washington quarters in general, the main thing that increases their value is the condition. Also, if you look on the back bottom center of the coin, you will see a small little D mint mark. That D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. Because this one graded very highly and it's from 1932, this coin sold for $82,250. Now, if you have a rare coin, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you have. Not spending a lot of time on this coin, but this coin sold for $3,877,500. If you're ever going through a garage sale or anywhere that you see this coin, make sure you contact an expert immediately. This one little Roosevelt dime sold for $48,875, and this is why. This coin should have an S mint mark near the date. Most proof coins are minted at the San Francisco Mint. San Francisco minted coins generally have an S mint mark near or under the date. This is a proof coin as well. On the field of the coin, you will see it looks like a mirror. That is one of the best ways to tell if you have a proof coin. You can almost see your reflection. There's a lot of people that come to me thinking they have this coin, but they have a normal issued 1968 Roosevelt dime from Philadelphia that looks just like this, but it's not a proof coin. There are bad people out there that will polish coins really nicely to make them look like a proof and try to trick people into thinking they have this exact coin here. So this is considered to be a mint error. It should have never happened. It should have an S mint mark, but it does not, and that's why it's over $48,875. Here's a 1953 S 5-cent Jefferson nickel graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 with the full steps on the back, and this coin sold for $24,000. The main thing you want to be looking at on this coin is if you flip it over and look on the back right hand side of the coin, you're going to see an S mint mark standing for the San Francisco Mint. If we go to the center of the coin, you will see above Monticello there, you will see full steps. Now, full steps only really matter if your coin is in uncirculated mint state grade. If your coin is not in a mint state grade, that means the full steps don't really matter. Collectors like collecting these full step coins because that is the highest point on the coin. It gets worn down the quickest, and it's also the hardest area for the mint to accurately produce on the coin. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $24,000. This is a 1943 1-cent coin struck on a bronze planchet graded by PCGS and AU58 with a CAC sticker, and it sold for $305,500, and here's why. So during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet, which the majority of 1943 pennies will look like that and not like this. So this coin was accidentally struck on this planchet when in reality it should have never happened whatsoever. PCGS graded this as AU, meaning almost uncirculated. That means this coin went out into circulation before it was found. The chances of you finding one today is pretty slim. If you do find one, chances are it is a replica that someone produced. So make sure that if you're buying one of these coins, you're very cautious. If you see someone trying to sell this coin for a few $1,000s, the chances are they're trying to rip someone off, so be careful there. Also, really quickly, this has a CAC sticker. So CAC is another third-party company that will look at the coin in the holder, and depending on if they think it looks good enough or not, they will put their little CAC sticker on there saying that the coin is really nice, that they agree with the grade, or they think it might grade higher. So that one little CAC sticker increases the value significantly, and again, this coin sold for $305,500. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen right now.